the Ticket Slayer 9000. UNIDEN are 4 Sniffs cops from miles away. No mercy, just laser sniping alerts. Meet the UNIDEN R4 Extreme Long-Range Laser or Radar Detector, your new co-pilot, bounty hunter, and traffic ninja all rolled into one slick black box. This ain't some toy store radar beeper, it's a record-shattering, cop-sensing, alert-whispering monster with 360-degree detection, so you're covered from every angle like a surveillance drone with a vengeance. With multicolor OLED goodness, GPS-powered mute memory, and real-time voice alerts, the R4 doesn't just warn you, it protects you from speed traps like a Secret Service agent with a speed gun radar crystal ball. This bad boy packs heat with advanced K or CAW filtering, so you don't lose your mind every time you pass a Walgreens. Its GPS auto-learns your usual false alert zones and shuts them up, forever. Plus, with preloaded red light and speed camera databases, and free lifetime firmware updates, the R4's brain just keeps getting bigger. It's not just a detector, it's a future-proof speed trap assassin that outsmarts patrol cars, techy SUVs, and sneaky camera zones alike. Want peace of mind? This is your ticket insurance, no monthly premium required. Where other detectors whimper at long-range threats, the R4 sniffs radar blips from the next zip code. Seriously. It's got the range of a paranoid owl in a thunderstorm, quiet, precise, and hyper-aware. The voice alerts? Crystal clear. The display? Sharp and detailed like your favorite dashboard heads-up display in a luxury ride. And yes, it comes with everything: suction cup mounts, a smart 12-volt cord with mute button plus USB charging port, firmware update cable, and a padded case. It's plug-and-play protection with precision. No weird wiring. No rocket science. Just results. Worried about noisy false alerts? Don't be. The UNIDEN R4 is practically psychic. It knows when alerts are real and when that Subaru next to you just has a weird bumper sensor. Flip between city, highway, or auto mode, and the R4 adapts like a street-smart chameleon. It even uses your speed to decide what's worth your attention. And with support for the free UNIDEN R/TACH app, you can tweak settings, mute alerts, and stay laser connected to the world of stealth driving in real time. It's like having a pit crew and a satellite analyst in your glove box. Let's keep it real, speeding tickets suck. They're expensive, time-wasting, and soul-draining. The UNIDEN R4 doesn't just help you avoid them, it's designed to save you hundreds, maybe thousands over the years. It's rugged, reliable, tech-tested, and tuned for drivers who refuse to play dumb with speed traps. Whether you're road tripping, commuting, or just like driving with swagger, the R4 has your back like no other. Affordable? For what it saves you, heck yes. Durable? Like a black box from a fighter jet. Effective? Ask the officer you didn't meet today.